And this is like a new edge control that I just got. Because I was just, to be honest, I was rushing and I was ready to get done. So now I'm just kind of going back and not picking. I'm going back and fixing some of them. So I just take the hair I had. And I use some of that edge control. And just put that on the hair so it can be smooth. And then you're just gonna start twisting. And I'm hoping I'm twisting the right way. I think that's the string that I had left out. And then to make sure that you are twisting the right way, you just want to let it go and just see how it unravels, and I'm okay with that. So I just continue, pick up where I left off at, pull it up a little bit so you can get it back tight, and just continue to twist. And then I did leave a piece of hair out. So you just want to pull a piece of hair out from where you were twisting and just hold that. You can just let that piece of hair go and just keep twisting. And then, yes, this side is a little bit more fuller, but I'm wearing it on this side more anyway, so I'm okay with that. I used the Freetress Water Wave hair, and I got like 4 packs, and it was like literally just enough. Like I didn't have like not a strand of hair left over. And some of them I did like 1 string, some of them I did 2 and crocheted them through. It's long. I think it was 22, and it goes to my hip just about. Some of them do. So yeah, it's pretty long. They got like heels on it and stuff. Hopefully y'all can see it. And then I just got some plain little clips. I don't know. I meant to get those. And these was like $1.99. I'm like, I went to the wrong hair store to get my hair accessories, because usually these are like 99¢. But I was like, I don't feel like going to another hair store, so how do I put these on? Take one. These is cute. I'm just about to put these in here randomly. I'm just gonna stick another one on there. because I'm heavy-handed, so I braided like my own hair too tight. So now I know how people feel when I braid their hair and they be complaining that it be tight because I just did my own hair like that. So another way I like to wear it is down. That's like my favorite way to wear my passion twist is down. For some reason, it's coming off like white right here for some reason. But yes, let me see. Can I switch it over the other way? You can wear it like this way if you wanted to like switch it over. I can switch it over now because it's like loosened up now. Because I'm filming this part like days later. Because it was too tight and it was just hurting. And I was like, I'm just going to have to film the styling part a little bit later so they can loosen up because they was tight. So this is another way that you can wear them. Is half up, half down. Let's see. Do I got all of them? Like that. I actually like it this way a lot though. Sorry that I'm smacking. The gum got really good. You can do like a top knot bun or whatever you want to call it. Half up, half down. I like it this way a lot too. So I just gather it all in a ponytail, twist, to wrap it. So yeah, that's another way. This is how I majority of it wear it because I be at work and I need to put up. So yes, that's another way. I can see it better. Down and leave like 2 braids in the front, well 2 twist braids down in the front. So you do it that way too. Be disrespectful and ball up. But yes, thank you for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for the next video. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. No. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so that way you'll get notified when I post a new video. And thank you for watching. And leave a comment down below, you know.